Hi, everyone. Welcome to Global Business Skills. This is the Global Business Skills class for spring 2019, starting January 14th. Can't believe it's 2019 already, but here we are. So, welcome to all of you joining Global Business Skills. My name is Dawn Wood, and I am the instructor for Global Business Skills, this online section, which I hope you are going to enjoy this semester and learn lots from. This video is your intro to the course. I'm going to give you a little overview of the course itself, a little bit about me, and then also express to you how much I'm looking forward to meeting each of you and hope you understand that teaching online, the only thing I really miss is getting that face-to-face interaction with you. So I encourage each of you to reach out to me. My office at Kirkwood is in Cedar Rapids on the main campus in Lynn Hall, 1154. And I'm also available to you via Zoom or Skype or Google Hangouts or whatever works for you if you want to do a video connection on the computer so that we can get to know one another a little better, and maybe that's an easier way for you to ask any questions that you have about the assignment or the class. I want to be accessible to you, so please do utilize that if you can. So what is global business skills all about? Well, globalization is all around us. Global business is a fact. Everywhere you work these days, you will have to work with people from other countries, from other cultures, whether you're working in healthcare or marketing or management or manufacturing or auto tech, whatever you're doing, you will be exposed to the world and to people from other cultures. So Global Business Skills is a course that's been developed as part of the management program, and the idea is to give you some skills to help you deal with those intercultural interactions in the best way possible to make successful business and to build good relationships. So that's basically what this course is about. The course is 16 weeks long, and you'll see on your screen here, this is our Talon shell. You've got all of the details. We'll go into a little bit more here in a little bit. I also wanted to introduce myself and give you a little bit of background about who I am. I teach this course, and then I also serve as the Dean of International Programs at Kirkwood, which means that I'm responsible for all of the international partnerships, all of the study abroad programs, our strategies for recruiting and retaining international students, and also working with students who are immigrants to our community. So that involves a lot of relationship building, and that's really my main job as the director or manager of that department. I've worked at other educational institutions in the past, and I also worked in global business when I graduated with my international business degree from UNI. So I graduated from college. I studied international business and psychology. So that fits very well with global business skills and some of the things we'll be talking about. Then I studied abroad while I was a student, which I encourage each of you to do if you can. It's an amazing experience, and at Kirkwood we have lots of options for that. After I graduated, I worked abroad and taught English in the Czech Republic. So I studied abroad in Denmark, I taught English in the Czech Republic, and then came back and went to graduate school to study international education, which is what I currently do. And I live in Cedar Rapids. I have 3 kids. This is my office here in my home, and I love talking about other cultures, meeting people from other cultures, and working with people from other cultures to make the business life better as well as the world a better place. So this course fits exactly with what I'm really passionate about. Let's see, the course website is the next thing I want to talk about. So you can see that the course is organized by week. So when you look over here, you'll see there's a Start Here button, which has some important information for you to read. I'll just click on that quick. That's where you found the intro video. The weekly schedule is a part of the syllabus that outlines each week what's due, what time, It's very succinct and organized. If you like charts, you'll like that one. There's some instructions and grading rubric for participation in discussion forums. Now, discussion forums are essential in this class, and you need to read these guidelines because a lot of your grade depends on it. And this is where I try to bring the course to life. And these discussions are your opportunities to learn about other people's experiences with different cultures, with different business situations, and to contribute. So I expect you to read these instructions and the grading rubric for participation in discussion forums. You'll see one of the most important things is that you don't just say, good post or way to go. You're not evaluating your peers' posts. What you're supposed to be doing is contributing, adding more resources. If you read your friends, your classmates' post and have an idea, like a new web page you can add to that, or a different article, or refer to your textbook, that's how you'll earn all 10 points in the discussion forums. All right, let's go back. Then you'll see some information here about the final country project. There'll also be a video I'll record in more detail about that. And then each week, I will try to record an intro video most weeks so that you can get an overview of what the learning outcomes are for each week and an idea of what's due that week. And so that we can have a little more face-to-face contact, even if it is just me talking. I want to hear from you as well. So I'd like to know that you're listening to the videos and then reply to me and let me know what questions you have about anything that I've said. Let's see. There's 2 textbooks. One is Working Globe Smart. It's a great textbook all about the importance of relationships and 12 great global skills. So we'll be referring to this one a lot. The second one is Riding the Waves of Culture by Trompenauer. I love this book because it has lots of cases, lots of examples, and cases are really the same thing as examples. So when I'm talking about cases in this class, there'll be lots of assignments that have to do with cases. I really mean business examples, and you'll be doing a lot of work with that. So I'll post announcements as things come up or things change, but that gives you a pretty good overview of what's going to be happening in Global Business Skills for spring 2019. Again, please reach out to me with any questions. Thanks.